Welcome to 105 Mediterranean in beautiful Amherstburg. This gorgeous raised ranch is located near everything. Multiple parks, the Libro Center that is fully functioning for all types of activities, close to North Star High School, as well as many other public schools. Also very close to our beautiful Amherstburg waterfront with its famous open air weekend. You're also close to all of the downtown shopping and the amazing restaurants. Everything that Amherstburg has to offer is right in this great area. This home has 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom downstairs. All of them are extra large. A beautiful large kitchen that also has an eat-in dining room, a great family room both upstairs as well as a rec room downstairs. In the back, you're gonna find a great entrance that leads right into the basement, as well as a full porch that comes right into your dining room. You also have a 1.5 car heated garage that is perfect if you're looking to store things, if you're a car enthusiast, or if you have tons of bikes and canoes and all that kind of stuff for your kids. You're not going to want to miss out on this amazing home in this perfect Amherstburg community. For your own personal showing, call me Roseanne Osborne, 226-782-4493.